This is how I sound using my Mac's built-in microphone. It's echoey and captures too much room noise. Now let me connect my mono. And this is the exact same room switched over to the mono plug directly into my Mac. And as you can see, the Maono Link app is open. You can control your sound or voice from directly into this app. And there is also one physical knob here. As you can see, it controls the gain, and you can see the change in my sound when I move the knob up and down. So let's try and see where it's useful. So let me put it at 80 and I'll type something. So as you can see, you can hear a bit of my typing. And now let me make it 30 and let me type again. As you might have noticed, the sound of my keys clicking is significantly lowered, and there is also one on off button where I can just press it and stop the microphone. And at the bottom you can connect your headphone for directly hearing what you are speaking. And also there is one small switch that controls the light, so you can see it changes color, and you can turn it off as well. So yeah, this is the real testing of my new mic. One more thing, let me move away from mic as well so you can get an idea. If I need to increase the gain, now you can hear me, as well as you can see the microphone is away from me. And if I bring it back gradually, you can see the change in its ability to capture more noise and as well as more volume as well, my voice as well.